Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Meggie and I am so excited. It has been quite a few weeks since I last uploaded the makeup video. So I have been trying to improve my skills. As you know, I just started and all I know is how to put the concealer in the foundation and my eyeliner and my lashes. But I haven't tried using eyeshadows and I want to try that on this video. And let me know through your comments down below if you like it or if you do have any suggestions. I'm open for that. I'd love to hear what you're gonna say. Today we're going to use my Morphe palette and I haven't really used this palette like not really. Okay, so this is the Morphe. It's the Morphe 35 OM. So it's the Morphe 35 OM. There you go. So I'm going to use that today for my eyes. I'm not going to concentrate on the concealer and the foundation. I'll do that later. But what I'm going to try is do my eye makeup first. And then I'll do the rest after I did the eye makeup. I normally would put concealer and foundation first and my eyebrows, but I'm not gonna do that. Today I'm gonna do it reverse. So stay tuned, we're gonna go through it together. So first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and put primer in our eyes, and I'm going to use e.l.f. for today. And it is in color Sheer 21711. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just put it in our eye. I'm not even sure if I'm putting this enough or too much, right? And I normally will just use my fingers. I just really like using my fingers when I'm putting primer in my eyes. But this is only when I'm singing that I do this, because I normally at work I don't put eyeshadow because it feels like it's morning and there's so much going on right there. So, okay, here you go. All right, okay, so let it dry for a little bit. So after putting the primer, I normally will go with my eyebrows, but I want to concentrate on the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to put powder on my eyelids after the primer, so anything that's just, you know, same color as yours. And I'm using Loreal True Match Honey Beige N6. Okay, and any product that I'm using, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the link below, so you can go ahead and check it out on our local drugstore or local Ulta stores. I went there yesterday and it was my first time. Never been there before, so I don't know what, you know, they really have. So the lady I spoke with told me that, you know, they do have both drugstore brands and the high-end brands. So it was amazing. I was able to see a lot of products that that I've heard but I've never tried. So next time I'll go ahead and try it. I'm still getting used to, you know, putting, you know, different foundation. I've always been using Milani and I mix it with Loreal. I tried Wet n Wild, which right now that works for me. Surprisingly, it doesn't leave my face oily. For some reason, maybe Milani and Loreal is not matching my skin type, and it really makes it oily. So we'll see. I'm gonna try something else next time. And then after I put powder in my eye, so it's already set, we're going to go ahead and put the lightest color for our back color. And just to give you a heads up, I learned all of this from watching all our beauty gurus in YouTube, so thank you so much. That really helped me a lot, and I'm, you know, just starting right now, so pardon me if I'm not using the same brush as you are, but you know, you guys are awesome. I like this brush, Icing, because it's soft and it's easy for application. I know I have Morphe brushes. I have actually 3 of Morphe brushes. I have the M330, I have the E17, which Manny MUA has been using, and it sucks because I'm not so sure how to use it. I'm just really comfortable with this one. For some reason, I keep hiding my Morphe brushes, and I also have M507. So these are all my Morphe brushes. Okay, but this is Icing. Okay, let's go with the lightest first. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this color right now, just to kind of like make the background light. But we wanted to make sure that it's kind of like paper, you know, the colors pop up when our paper is like blank, right? And then we put color on it and we pack color on top of each other until we get the right color we want, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and apply it. So it's very light, so don't expect that you'll be seeing, you know, very different color, but it's really a very light color, as you can see. So after putting the background color, I call it the background color, I don't know what you guys call it, but I call it the background color. Let's go ahead and move into the transition color, okay? Which is this color. I'm gonna play with this color, okay? I've never used this color before. I'm a little hesitant. I'm not sure how it's gonna look like in my eyes, but we're just gonna go ahead and try it, okay? It is what it is. I tap it, there's the color over here. Let's go ahead and just apply it in the crease. Okay, there you go. All right, so there's your transition color, okay? Using my, this time I'm going to use my Morphe E17 brush. There you go. You can see that? Put it in the middle of my nose. So I'm going to use my E17, okay? And I'm going to use this color down here. So that's the first color that I used. And I'm going to use this color, okay? So that's the first color. And this is the second color. Okay? Alright. Let's do this. Okay. So I would just put it like over here. There. See that? Not over here, but over here. Like in the inner. Okay? Like in the inner. And then you can just kind of like blend it in circular motion, okay? Very lightly. Okay, with the same brush, with my same icing brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it with the transition color. So we just put just a little bit and just kind of like blend it together for a smoother finish. So that's how it's gonna look like now. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and go to this color. Okay, this color, and we're going to use the same Morphe E17 brush. Okay. So we're going to this color. So this is the first color that I use. Actually, this one. So this is the first color that I use for background transition. And then I touch base with this color. And then we're going to move to this color. Okay, see that? Okay, so we're just going to put it over here again on the crease part. Okay, still in the inner part of your crease, not the outer, not over here or over here, but still over here in the inner part. Okay, you just want to define it a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Okay. And then with the same Morphe, excuse me, and with the same icing brush, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it again. So every time it's just blending. We keep blending colors. So there it is. Okay. All right. And then we do the same on the other eye as well. And with the same brush, with the same icing brush, I'm just gonna put the transition color and we'll blend it with this eye. There you go. That's how it looks like right now. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and touch base. Okay. We're gonna try and use the Morphe 507. So it's a Morphe 507. That's how it looks like. Let me show you my hand. That's how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to use this color in the bottom. I really like to use this color. I've been eyeing on how to use it, but we'll see. I've never tried this color before. For me, it's like really bold colors. No. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just use it. Like, this is for better crease. Okay, so let's just use it. Inner crease. And you kind of like just do this. Go. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna use my icing to just blend it. From inner like this, blend it outward. Like that. Just to make a smoother transition and not like looks like you drew the freaking crease in your eye. There. Okay. I think I like it. There you go. Alrighty. Okay, and we're going to do it at the same on the other eye. Do the same thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and crease it. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the my own little blending brush. My icing blending brush, okay? Okay. All right, that's how it looks like. All right, and then one thing that I really wanna try now, lastly, is to pack it with another color. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna do it, but what the heck, let's go ahead and try, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and try this color. For those users already who did this color, who did this palette, pardon me, okay? It's the first time I'm playing with this color, and I'm pretty sure you guys are excited and I'm trying new colors. Like, come on girl, use your palette, okay? So, I think I should use this. It looks like over here, because I use this one. Try this one. Let's try that one. Okay. A little hesitant right there, but let's try it. Let's try it, okay? Let's see what it looks like, you know. Girl, if you don't try, then you'll never know how far you'll go. So, okay. All right. Okay. And we'll just go ahead and blend it again. Okay, so now we've already blended it. As you can see, that's how it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead. I'm going to use the same brush, which is icing. I got two sides of this brush, okay? And I got this one. Oh, it says it's the wide shadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use, once again, this color. Just brighten the eyelid, okay? Let's do that. Pat it. one last blend over here after the packing. Okay. Once again, I'm a fan of Wet n Wild, so I'm using Wet n Wild H2O proof or waterproof. Okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and. Who else does this to their eyes? I always do that to my eyes because I thought that it's not, you know, doing its job if I just kind of close my eyes. So I always do this to my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna put my eyebrows on. So I told you guys that I'm a Wet n Wild lover, so I'm using a Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Pencil. So this is, it's ash brown, so it's not really like dark. I like the color of it. And then I will be back with lashes and all, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. So I am going to use my ever favorite brush, which is Icing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this color and this color together. So this and this together, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and start it with this, like this. Then after that, I'm going to touch a little bit of this tone over here, this color over here. I really like this color. I'm starting to like this now. There. Okay. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and use my eyeliner real quick to kind of do that because I don't have a lash. I wish there was a lash so it's, you know, I can just use mascara, but I can't. So now it pops up a little bit, and we'll just clean it up a little bit more, which I'll use this brush. This brush doesn't have a name, but I remember getting this at Walgreens. All right. This is just to blend this a little bit, okay? Okay, and of course I can't get enough of the glow. Okay, so this is the look. What do you guys think? Please do sound your thoughts through the comments down below. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe. Until my next video, thank you so much for watching.